Hey, um, I'm Ash. I figured I would do an unboxing of my Bont Prostars that I just got in. Um, I haven't seen anyone do like a review or anything on them of like the suede ones. So here goes. Just got them in the mail. Very excited. I ordered them in March. Um, And I got an email a week later after ordering them saying that they were out of stock, so they had to make me new ones. And that took a little bit. I'm not sure if I will be able to skate today because I do live in Seattle and it is raining. But might be able to at least try them out in the house. Ta-da! Okay. Just some other good products. I ordered some laces. I got the Misty Teal Prostars. So I got some black laces because I got the grindstone heart-shaped toe stops. Not from Bont, obviously, but they're on my other Bonts right now. I want to put them on here. Okay. Wow. Wow, these are super great. These are so light. Oh my god. I have the carbon, hybrid carbons for my other skates, and I have the Falcon plate on it, so they are a bit heavy. Oh my god, I love these. They're so cute. But I have the Bont, I got the Bont glow wheels and the Misty Teal. I'm not sure when they're supposed to light up. But just checking the skate, looking at everything. Yeah. Making sure there's no like malfunctions or whatever. Nice. These look really great. I love the like shape of the Pro Stars. Yeah. I'm really excited about these because I did buy some other skates. I got some Chaya Melrose, and I'd never skated in a high boot before, and I thought I might try that out, and I absolutely hated them. So I sold those. Sold those and then got these, which I have a feeling I'm really going to like these. Nice. Okay. Alright. Just gonna take a look at the other skate. But yeah, I think I'll be posting an update about how they feel on my feet shortly. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick little unboxing video. Maybe I'll take out the other skate just in case to show you guys. Ooh, I love this. The back of the skate has like a little loop where you can Makes it easier to pull up on your ankle. So I like that a lot. My other bonds don't have it. Yeah. These look really good. I'm really excited to skate on them, and yeah, I'll be posting another video soon. All right, bye.